Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to learn top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023. Yes, so far we learned many things from this channel and I'm trying to asking ChatGPT, which is the most trending, what the job opportunities are available in future to learn to grow our career. See, if you are watching first time this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe and support us. Let's see, I'll try to ask ChatGPT what the suggestion it will give us. Suggest top 5 programming languages. So let's see, to learn or to improve our skill, how it will help us. Yes, so it is thinking ChatGPT. It's an open source AI tool, as you know that. And it is giving us a great vast information. Yes, and nowadays it is released very soon, recently, like a ChatGPT 4 also, which is giving more accurate solutions. So the top 5 it is suggesting, like number 1 is Python. Yes, as you know that Python programming language is a wide range of tasks which are completing in web development, scientific programming and developing all the things. And the second one, JavaScript. So the JavaScript most widely used programming language for development of web, front-end and making lightweight web applications. Yes, to communicate from either client side or mobile apps easily using JavaScript. The next one is Java. So Java is a popular programming language to build large-scale applications, especially run on server side or desktop applications, to making open source to creating and controlling security and performance scalability. The next one is C++. It's a powerful language to build high performance applications such as video games, operating systems, browsers and software embedded applications. Yes, speed and efficiency is a great advantage for C++. Swift. The next one, Swift is a programming language developed by Apple for building iOS, macOS, watchOS and tvOS applications. So using to provide in a platform of modern features which are available in the modern development, faster and more efficient way. I hope anyone which you are passionate and which you are interested and any other relations you to given any guidance of any one of the programming language, you start with from scratch to expert level by making a real world project. Once you've done it, you will have a bright future in further future extensions. If you feel comfortable and you learn something from this video lecture, please do subscribe, support for us for more video lectures. And online, Hari system is also supporting these like a Python, JavaScript, Java and C++ programming languages scratch to expert level. If you are interested, watch below description link for online courses, which is 24/7, anytime you can schedule and learn, as well as certification of completion, which is greatly make you strong on these skills. Thank you.